So you've just bought yourself a Cricut Maker 3 or you're thinking about getting one. I'm going to be unboxing mine and setting it up for the very first time with you. Now don't forget, if you love everything Cricut, do subscribe to the CraftStash channel so that you can keep up to date with all our brand new Cricut based uploads. When you first take your Cricut Maker 3 out of the box, you're going to find that you have both UK and an EU power adapter. Now, each of these goes into the power bank here. So pop whichever plug you need into the bank and then put it into the back of the machine. You'll also find in your box that you've got a square adapter here that goes to a USB end. Now this is to plug in things like your tablet or your laptop, and this also goes into the back of the machine. So lifting the lid of your Maker 3, you'll notice that the front door automatically unfolds for you also. Within the front door, you have some tool storage here. You also have two housings for your cutting blades and other tools. Additional storage on the left-hand side at the top of the machine. You have the runner here that will hold things like your tablet and your phone. You also then have your power button and additional buttons here. So press the power button to turn the machine on. Now you want to set up your machine by going up to the three lines beside the word home on the top left and select new product setup. You're going to be setting up a smart cutting machine and you can choose your Cricut Maker from here. As it says, you do need to ensure that you've got 10 inches of space behind your machine from any wall or other obstruction. This is where your USB cable comes in handy if you don't use Bluetooth on your current device. You may need to go into your computer's Bluetooth settings to discover and pair with the Maker. Agree to the terms and conditions, and you're now set up and ready to start using your Maker 3. From the home page, before you start designing any project, just ensure that the correct machine is selected in the top right hand menu here. Adding or replacing a tool is really simple. You've got two compartments here, and within Cricut Design Space that will tell you which compartment to put each of your tools. You just simply open the lever on each of the housing and you can lift out your blade. The same goes for placing it back in. Just drop the blade in. You'll notice that it falls in there and stays there perfectly. Close the housing and close the door on top. Give it a click to ensure it's secure. So your Cricut Maker 3 is now up and running and ready to get started making those projects. Now CraftStash have an amazing array of tools and accessories for your digital cutting machines, including Cricut. You can become a CraftStash VIP member and save 10% off of all of your orders, and all the details are down below for you. Now you can browse all of our Cricut items at CraftStash here. You can also subscribe to our channel to keep up with those Cricut videos just here, and definitely check out our latest Cricut playlist just here.